In front of me is HONOR X5c Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply Apple layout on this Android. Start by opening Play Store and downloading free app called OS Launcher from Launcher Studio Developer. This one. When it's ready, you don't have to open it. What you need to do is exit Play Store and go into Settings. Then scroll to hit Apps section and click Default Apps. Now tap on Home app in order to choose Launcher Pro. Click on it here and wait for the pop-up to show. When it does, hit Allow All and wait. As you can see, after a few seconds, Apple layout was applied successfully on my HONOR. To make any changes, go into Launcher app. Or go into Last Page, App Library, and hit OK to adjust all of those options instantly. If you want to, you can always go back to the same settings and tap on HONOR Home to go back to your default launcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!